Every day, people face an invisible challenge: finding the right information at the right time, whether on a website, an app, or a digital product. The quality of the experience depends on how information is organized. In information architecture, Louis Rosenfeld and Peter Morville explain that information architecture is the art and science of organizing, structuring, and labeling information so that people can find and understand it. The authors describe information architecture as a foundation of successful digital experiences. It connects users with content by creating clear structures, meaningful labels, navigation systems, and search experiences. A major idea in the book is that information architecture has 4 key components: organization systems, labeling systems, navigation systems, and search systems. Organization systems determine how information is grouped and categorized. They help answer questions like, how should content be arranged? What relationships exist between different pieces of information? Labeling systems focus on the words used to represent information. Good labels communicate meaning clearly and help users predict what they will find. Navigation systems guide users through information spaces. They create pathways that allow people to move, explore, and understand where they are. Search systems help users directly locate information when browsing is not enough. A strong search experience depends on understanding both the information and the needs of the user. Rosenfeld and Morville also explain that information architecture requires balancing the perspectives of content creators, users, and the organization itself. A successful structure must support business goals while remaining understandable for people. The book introduces the idea of information ecology, the relationship between content, users, and context. These 3 elements constantly influence each other and shape how information should be designed. Ultimately, information architecture shows that organizing information is not just about arranging pages or menus. It is about creating systems that help people successfully find what they need and make sense of complex information.